Latest creation. It's a Schwinn Meridian tricycle, and I got myself a belt-driven 49cc 4-stroke engine. A lot of making it work kind of work, but she's together and works. See down there, I took a CNC sprocket adapter. That's how I got the 3 sprockets on there. Now I looked all over YouTube and I couldn't find how to do that anywhere, so I just figured it out and did it. And then we got our gas tank here, mounted on a peg. We ran out of welding wires, I was welding that on, so we only got that one weld right there on. So, let's start her up and see how she sounds. Muffler's halfway off too. Alright. Do a little walk around. Oh yeah, I couldn't really find any throttle cable for this, so I just had to use the scammer, ran it up, plugged it on. It works, so. Now, turn that off. Our exhaust here is only held on by one bolt because when I was trying to thread in the other bolt, it just straight up sheared off flat with the head. So I just put in one bolt there, tied some baling wire around it, so in case that bolt rattles out, we won't lose our muffler entirely.